Okay, so today we're gonna battle. We had the battle of the Roombas and ILife. This ILife has Tomater and Baby Yoda. This one has Lightning McQueen. This one has Tomater.
Yeah.
And it's also called Roomba Shoomba.
Yeah.
This is the 645.
And look at this number.
This is the 675. And this is the ILife V8, I believe. Okay, go ahead and start them, puppy.
Okay. They're gonna fight them.
They're gonna fight? Is that what the pencil's for?
Yeah.
You want to put the pen more out here?
Yes. I'm gonna put it right there. So he could get closer to make sure he could see them.
Oh. This one got stuck?
Yeah, but you win, I win.
Alright, so we had an idea.
Yeah, that's a huge idea.
A huge idea.
Yeah.
So we put him on this little table. Let's set it up down here so Puppy can see.
Yeah, he's gonna fall down in there.
We're gonna see which one falls down first. That's the one that loses.
Yeah.
You ready, Puppy?
Yeah. It's backwards.
And these are their weapons. A pencil.
Yeah.
A pencil. And a pen.
He's gonna do this.
Okay, let's go.
Dead.
Roomba Shoomba died.
Yeah.
The battery died.
Yeah.
Man.
Me either.
So they lost. ILife wins.
What about this?
Okay, well then we take out the Roomba Shoomba.
Yeah. Let's go over this.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Who would be this one?
Oh, and that's the first hit. Why is the Roomba running? It's ready to win. It's scared.
So scared.
Oh, they got another hit. Oh.
Oh my god. You can calm down. Oh, it's just one trick here.
Who's gonna win?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look, he's gonna push it, he's gonna push it. Oh, Roomba, no! Roomba's gonna fall.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the ILife is gonna fall now.
It's gonna fall.
Blue, behave. Blue, go outside. No, the ILife died. Turned off. What happened to it? There it is.
Don't fall down. Don't fall down, ILife. You're almost there. push that